Hello everyone watching this video. If you're just joining my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. So why am I making this video today? This video is to actually show you how you can actually use Binance and actually make money from Binance, and also use Wise, formerly known as Transferwise, and make money from both platforms. But what this video to the end, I'll be showing you a guarantee method of making £50. Yes, I repeat, watch this video to the end and I'll be showing you how to make your £50 or your first £50 or extra £50 or whatever you actually gain after watching this video. So first and foremost, let's talk about Binance. Binance is actually an exchange site, or a crypto site, which actually Binance is not all about crypto right now. Binance is actually big right now. Binance has gone, have left a lot of limitation right now. They are actually heading to a very big spot. So Binance is doing NFT, they are doing gift card, they are doing so many things apart from coins and what many of us know today. So why am I making this video? I just want to show you how you can make money from the same Binance you are using. For those of you that actually are using Binance, you should be making money from it aside trading, aside selling, or doing one or two things you're doing. You can also make money from this platform. So if you have not registered on Binance, all you need to do is to come here and click on register and then log in to start using it as well. For those of you that are actually wondering why my background is black, all you just need to do is to click here, and once you click there, it will change your background to white, and once you click it again, this button here, it will bring it back to black. So I actually like dark mode, so I enjoy using my dark mode very well. So what are we actually talking about? We'll be talking about the important information you need to know about arbitrage. Arbitrage is actually a global thing. A lot of people are just understanding what arbitrage is, or for those of you that do not know what arbitrage is, I will explaining it in this video. Some people discovered arbitrage this year, some last year, some 2 years ago. Why some are actually into this arbitrage platform, and they are making hell of money out of arbitrage for God knows how long. Some people have been into it, some people were born into it, some actually just get to understand it recently. So but even if you're actually doing it, or you're just starting to do it, to do arbitrage, I'll be explaining to you how to get more out of it, because everybody needs to make money out of arbitrage. So we'll be talking about just two platforms today, Binance and Wise, formerly known as Transferwise. So let's talk about arbitrage. What is arbitrage? Let's break down arbitrage in a simple word. Arbitrage is actually an investment strategy in which an investor simultaneously buy and sells an asset in different markets to take advantage of a price difference and generate profit. That is just what arbitrage is. Just taking advantage of different prices and making profit. Is being defined in a layman word, or in a layman language, as buying something in a very affordable price and selling in a very high price and making profit. Is just like buying low and selling high, and that is all it should be. Or let me just use this mathematical terms by saying you can buy something for $10 and you can sell for either 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 or above dollar. You can sell for 15, 20 and make your profit depending on what is on ground at that point. So on arbitrage, believe me, your chances of losing money is actually slim. I cannot use a percentage, because we are not actually trading a particular commodity. We're just talking about arbitrage as a whole. So in this same video, I just said watch this video to the end and I'll be showing you how to make your first, or make your £50, or adding £50 to your savings, or make your first £50 and above, or however you actually wish to call it from your own end. So just watch this video to the end and we are good to go. So this is my arbitrage platform on Binance. This is actually where I take advantage of a lot of stuff I see on Binance. And apart from me being a forex trader, being a cryptocurrency marketer, also advising people on how to trade crypto and the rest, I actually get myself going on arbitrage on Binance. Binance is where a lot of us or people like me actually come to make money. There are other platforms out there, but today, like I said, I'll be focusing on what Binance and then Wise as well. So on Binance, I'll be showing you how to make money while using Binance. A lot of people are using Binance, or for those that are actually watching the video for the first time and asking what is Binance. Binance is actually where you exchange cryptos, exchange gift card, exchange NFTs and whatsoever you're doing. So if you want to make money from Binance apart from your own activity you're doing every day, you can also invite people, tell people about Binance, and believe me, you'll be making your money. As you can see, my Binance is verified. I registered my Binance, and for those of you that are actually having issue with your Binance, all you need to do is to get a required information that Binance is asking you and fill it up. I actually use my national identity card to verify my own, and then you can use your international passport, you can use your driving license, or wherever you are watching from around the world, you can use anyone that is being permitted from your own region. So in this video, once you click on that icon that looks like a profile icon, you will come here. This referral program is actually a kind of affiliate program that allows you invite people and make money from Binance, apart from you doing your normal day-to-day trading that brought you or actually takes you to Binance. You can click here and make your money. All you just need to do is click here, get the link and share. So that being that, on Binance, we are going straight towards Wise. So for those of you that do not know what Wise is actually an online banking account, which they actually do more than banking right now, but it's actually an online account whereby people can send you money and you can receive money. And most importantly, it's actually an account whereby it gives you leverage or advantage on having an American bank account, having a Euro bank account, and also having a pounds bank account. And also there are different currency right now on Wise. So if you have not yet gotten your Wise, you should also register and then get verified and start making use of Wise. And for those of you having difficulty in creating Wise from Nigeria, I'll be focusing on Nigeria for now, because in Nigeria it's actually difficult to have your Wise being verified. So in that aspect, I'll be showing you how to create and verify your Wise in another video I'll be making as well. So just hold on and let me explain to you how you're making your first £50. Okay guys, in making your first £50 on Wise, all you just need to do is to come here. You can use you can do it one-on-one, tell people around you about it, tell people how to create a Wise account, how the advantage of creating a Wise account means that they also have American bank in case of any opportunity. They can give the person the American bank account, and the person send them money and they get the job done, or the person is giving them free money or whatsoever. And Wise, like I said, is not all about American bank and European bank and the rest of it. Is actually at a platform whereby you can make good use of it on different occasions and different activities. So for now, we're just going straight to how you make your first £50 from Wise, which you will just have to click here. And once you click here, it takes you to the place you're going to get your invitation link, where you're going to invite people. So with that link, all you just need to do is to paste it on your social media. For some of you that have large audience, large followers, and people that actually listening to you, I think this is just like a get go for you. So you have to invite like 3 people, and then those 3 people, after registering and getting verified, believe me, you are getting your £50 from it. And if you have been using Wise and maybe you actually have not heard about this, or you have heard about it, why not take advantage of this platform and make your pounds as well. So at that, let's say earn £50 for every 3 friends you transfer over £200, and they will get a free transfer to up to like £500. So there are more, and there are more we all need to be getting from these platform. It's a very wonderful platform. Like I said, how do you get your your referral link? You just have to click this share here and then copy your link, or you can share on WhatsApp, or you can share on Facebook or Twitter, or you can also invite them via email as well. So this being said, all I want you to do right now is to get the link below in this video. I'll be dropping the link on how to register your Binance and Wise as well. So you just click on the link as well and register, and make sure you verify everything, and let's get going. Don't forget to subscribe to my video and click on the notification to also get notified anytime I'm dropping a video. And like I said, have a nice day and get these £50. Yeah, bye.